It's Thursday, January 23rd, 2025. It's 8:50 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. DWTX up 732%. Halted yet again on its way up. High of day is where it's at, 2330. I'll pause and return. I have an order in for 3 shares. And I am out just that quick. Let's go take a look, see what we did. Okay, a very quick $7.60. That's about a 5% gain on this trade. I was in this only 9 seconds, and I wasn't going to bet the farm on this. This thing's just been crazy. I kind of traded this just for fun to see what I could do. I bought 3 shares at $24.23 and out at $26.77. Doing a quick recap, I was in and out on this big green candle right here. And as you can see, the very next candle, after I got out, it fell hard and it halted down here. And now it's just kind of struggling. So again, just a trade for the fun of it, just more out of curiosity, see if I could make something out of it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope to see you in the next trade.